Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you on how you can change email on Binance. This is a step-by-step guide so you will have no problem following. Now let's go ahead and open up the Binance application right here, and you can just go ahead and click on the top left button right here. This is basically the Binance button and it will take us to this menu right here. Now inside, you can just go ahead and click on your profile. And from here, you want to navigate through security. Now inside security, as you can go ahead and see that we have the button for email. You want to click on the email right here. And if you want to change your email in Binance, you can just go ahead and click on this button. Are you sure you want to change the email for your Binance? You can just go ahead and click on the continue button to proceed. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.